Okay, so here is my Rakuten marketing account, and here is all statistics. Here you can see commission, sales, average price per click, uh, quantity of clicks, impressions. These impressions usually used for banners, but I'm not using banner ads, only targeted traffic. So let's go to programs and let's check. It will show you a list of my advertisers. So as you can see, 25 pages, almost 200 advertisers got approved my account, and I'm promoting different programs. So make sure to check next video where I will show you how exactly I'm doing this.